Hello everyone and welcome to this round of Ed Talks. So, you want to study abroad? Cool. You dream of sipping espresso in Berlin while discussing assignments? Or eating ramen in Toronto while studying all night for finals? Or getting ready for a university basketball match night in the US? Sounds great, right? But hey, before you pack your bags and say goodbye to your mom's rajma chawal or spaghetti Sundays, let's talk about what really goes down. Firstly, why do students want to study abroad? And come on, it's not just about the Instagram pics. Let's be honest, part of the motivation is totally about those aesthetic studygram photos. But there's more. Studying abroad is like hitting the life upgrade button. You get to experience new cultures, make lifelong friends, or at least some people to cry over group assignments with. Learn that group project in Germany means strict deadlines, and in Spain, it means manana, meaning tomorrow. And you level up academically and professionally for a version 2.0 of yourself. Plus, who doesn't want to say, when I was living in London? Okay, just kidding. Secondly, let's get to what are the challenges of studying abroad. Believe me, it's not always a happy dream sequence. Here's where things get spicy. First challenge, choosing your country, city, university and program. It's like Tinder, but for your entire future. Swipe wrong and boom, you're stuck with a degree in, say, underwater hunting for pests. Basically, with zero job prospects. Hey, you need to be in sync with the labor market. Every country has its own education system, qualification levels, work options, visa rules, and so on. And then there's that friend who chose a random university because bhai ne bola tha sahi hai. Yes, let's gamble 25 lakhs or more because your cousins, roommates, dog walker said it's cool. Come on, let's get real. Here's a pro tip. Always double tap research before you double down on decisions. Thirdly, is money a problem? Come on, usually it's a yes, unless your dad is an uber rich guy. Finance is like that annoying friend who always shows up when things are going well. Tuition? Oops. Living expenses? Visa fees, insurance, flight tickets, sudden inflation, your addiction to bubble tea? Oof. And here's what helps. 1. Scholarships. Some universities give them just for applying early, and that's a lazy win. 2. Education loans. Can-Am's got your back here. 3. Picking a regional town over a big city saves you a lot of money, but you might have to travel 20 miles for a good job. 4. Some unis freeze your fees, meaning no increase over the years, and that's a lifesaver. Now, this is exactly where your Can-Am counselors will be able to guide you. Fourthly, red flag alert, aka how to not get scammed like a rookie. Okay, listen up. If someone says 100% visa guarantee, free flight, free laptop, free everything, you should turn around and say, free me from this one-way ticket to disappointment. Instagram has its share of shady ads that promise paradise but deliver paperwork hell. Let me list a few red flags for you to remember. 1. No one can guarantee a visa, not even your chacha who knows someone in immigration. 2. Don't ever submit fake documents. The embassy will find out and then you're not studying abroad, you're banned abroad. 3. If an agent won't explain things clearly, doesn't give you receipts or offer zero transparency, run. And legitimate agencies? They organize fairs and office visits with real university reps, offer verified information, get you express admissions, offer global career advice, get you available application fee waivers, and do not pressure you like a pushy gym trainer. In summary, if studying abroad is your dream, great. Just don't walk into it blindfolded with your wallet wide open. Do your homework, ask smart questions, and maybe avoid heeding advice from Uncle Ji who went to the UK in 1987. And hey, if you want actual expert help minus the drama, that's literally what we at Can-Am are here for, with transparency and accountability. Our almost 3 decades of experience, all accreditations, global awards, and certifications speak for themselves. Do like, share, and tag that friend who thinks he'll get a visa because he manifested it on Insta. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on all our socials to remain updated on the international education scene, and see you soon.